Crafting your own Christmas ornaments or decorations is always a fun activity. Let's make some designs in Studio that you can use for a range of different craft activities. Add a text field with text of your choice. In this case, I went for Happy Holidays. Choose a font that is festive and classical in look, like the script font, and change the color to red. To thicken the font, I used the outline feature, and also set that to red, but you can also just opt to make the font bolder by clicking the bold button in the text control panel. Then let's add some graphic elements as details. I used some Christmas-shaped leaves and circles to create a festive atmosphere. Recolor and arrange as you like, playing with size, positioning, and rotation for some variation. Don't forget to download it as a PNG and select the Remove Background option. Getting started is free, but if you have an all-access subscription to Creative Fabrica, you have access to all of Studio's premium features too. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips.